Hello and welcome to this new video in the SQL content. In this video, we move further in the joins. In the last couple of videos, we have seen a lot of things in joins. In this video, we cover one more important aspect is how can we join more than two tables. So for example, let us say we have these three tables. Select star from dim product. Select star from dim customer and select star from fact internet sales. Let us run the fact internet sales table. So I have the product key. As we use the product key to join the dim product in the last video, we know about it, so we can get the name. Now what I'm interested is in such a kind of output which gives me the customer name, the product name, and then the sales that was accountable or made by him. But the problem is that all of these three different things are in three different tables. The product name is in product table, the customer name in customer table, and the sales is in the fact sales table. So here comes a need wherein we need to join three tables, not two tables. So that's what is important to understand. How can you join more than two tables? First, I would like to explain you this diagrammatically and then we can take it practically. Let us say these are your three tables. All right. So this is my fact table. This is my products table. I'm just using the initials. This is my customer table. So you want to join all these three tables. You cannot directly join all these three tables in one go. One join can only bring you two tables together. So firstly, you have to identify which tables can you join. At times, it may happen that you don't have anything common between two tables. For example, there is nothing common between the products table and the customer table. What I mean is there is no common column which can help us to create that bridge. So what you do is, in the first step, you join these two tables together. Because I know there is product key in this table and there is product key also in this table. Now once you join this, you get one single output in this way. So now you have a combined entity. And this will bring in the customer key. Now there is customer key between common between fact table and the customer key, the customer table. So then in turn you can join this way. This is one way you can do. Or the other way could be you first join these two tables because the customer key is common. And then you get the product key over here, then you join this. So either ways you have to do. So you have to create that bridge and just keep going further. How can you do this practically? Let's see. So I say select star from dim product P join fact sales F on P dot product key is equal to F dot product key. And let us see what columns we want. I want P dot English product name, F dot sales amount. Only that's it. So I know if I run, I'll get this total. Fine. Now, how can I bring in the customers table or the customer information? All you got to do is just continue after this on condition or the expression for the first join, you write a join. So the result of this will be a join table and then we will join another one. I'll say join dim customer C on. Now where can you join? You can say F dot customer key is equal to C dot customer key. Though the names of the columns are same over here, but that is not a compulsion. The data type only has to be the same. Once you do this, you get access to the other columns. So I can say C dot first name. You can also combine names by using concatenate as we have seen, but let me only stick to first name right now. This is how you do the join for more than two tables, and you see there is nothing difficult or hard about it. It is only understanding the logic or the concept. So first you join two tables, and then once the expression is completed, keep that in mind. Once the on expression is completed, the join expression, then you join the third table and then the expression. Then after this, again the fourth table and then the expression. That's how you go about. Rest all what you want to do sort, filter, aggregate, that's up to you. So now we can just push this one step further. I want to aggregate these results. So I can say group by, I want to see how much each customer has bought the total sales, or what is the total sales for each customer for each product. And that's why I would want to aggregate it. That's it. So now you will have lesser number of rows. All right. So this is how, the SQL is so important that it helps you to derive insights from your business, and it helps you to shape, or mash up your data according to your needs. And that's what ultimately we want each one of you who is taking this course to have a solid grip on SQL. So later on, when we go and learn, be it anything like Power BI or ETL into Azure Data Engineering, these things will come into play for you. Okay, this will be very beneficial. So hope this was insightful, and definitely this is one of the practical things which comes across in real life. That's it in this video. See you in the next one.